Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss about social control. We will cover meaning, definition, characteristics, types, and agencies of social control. Meaning of social control. The term social control refers to the process of maintaining social order and stability. Social control is a concept referring to rules and restrictions that shape, supervise, and regulate the behaviors of individuals and societies. Social control is the control of society over the individual. For example, shaming individuals who have engaged in crime by exposing them through public media such as newspapers. Suspending a worker who has not been as productive in their work. Definition of social control. Various scholars given the definition of social control. Scholars are Karl Mannheim, Ogburn and Nimkoff, McKeever, and Ross. Characteristics of social control. There are some characteristics of social control which are as follow. Control over individuals. Influenced by various ways. Control is essential in the society. Promoting the welfare. Essential condition. Social control is universal. Control by formal and informal agencies. Types of social control. Every society exercises control over its members in order to maintain the social order. However, forms of social control are not uniform in all the societies due to inherent differences in their cultural background, in the nature of personal relations, social relations and social conditions. Based on the classification given by various authors, following forms of social control can be described. Forms of social control is given by Karl Mannheim. Karl Mannheim has discussed the direct and indirect forms of social control. First is direct social control. This type of social control which directly regulates and controls the behavior of individual is called direct social control. This types of control is to be found in family, neighborhood, playgroups and other types of primary groups. For example, parents and teachers etc. keep control the behavior of the students or individuals. Second is indirect social control. This type of social control in which distant factors keep control over the behavior of the individual. This type of control is exercised by secondary groups through customs and traditions, etc. For example, remove footwear when enter into temple or church. Forms of social control is given by Kimball Young. Kimball Young has discussed the positive and negative forms of social control. First is positive social control. In this types of social control, positive steps such as reward, the policy of appreciation etc. are used for keeping the person under control. As a result of these steps, man tries to behave in the best possible manner in the society. Second is negative social control. This is just reverse of the positive form of social control. In this form of social control is achieved by the punishment. The individual on the fear of punishment and derecognition by the society is made to behave in conformity with the values of the society. General views about forms of social control. Some sociologists have categorized the forms of social control as formal and informal. First is formal social control. This type of social control is exercised by known and deliberate agencies of social control such as law, punishment, army, constitution etc. Man is forced to accept these forms of social control. Generally, these forms are exercised by secondary groups. For example, traffic rules. Second is informal social control. These agencies of social control have grown according to the needs of the society. Folkways, mores, customs, social norms etc. fall under this category of social control. Generally, primary institutions exercise this type of social control. Agencies of social control. Agencies are the instruments by which social control is exercised. Agency refers to those groups, organizations and authorities that are responsible for implementing social control in an effective manner. Agencies use both the means formal as well as informal. Agencies have power to reward or punish the individuals. Agencies of social control are given as: first is family. Family is a very important instrument agency of social control. Family prescribe rules and regulations over the members and members have to follow. These rules and regulations form a part of social control. Second is education. Education is a great vehicle of social control. Education inculcates moral, intellectual and social values in individuals. It imparts a sense of continuity. Third is legal system. Legal system includes law, legislations, rules and regulations which is established by the government, and it is a powerful means of social control. All should obey the law. If we violate the law, then we will punish according to the law. Fourth is religion. Religion is powerful agency of social control. Members of the religion follows the certain rules and regulations of particular religion. Fifth is customs. Customs are established and accepted forms of human practices. It is controlling the nature and regulates the human behavior. Sixth is norms. Norms are standard behavior followed by the group members based on validity of perceptions. Norms bring the control and cooperation among the members. Seventh is folkways. Folkways are laws of behavior in society. Activity which violates them is not punishable, but other people in the society look upon such behavior as degenerate and ridicule it. The fear of social ridicule acts as a large measure of control in the conduct of an individual. Eighth is fashion. Fashion is the form of style and survive only for the short time. The style adopted by the group of people becomes fashion. It is constantly changing and influencing the individual. Thank you for watching this video. To get this PDF, join our Telegram group, link in description. Please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel.